So now I want to try a little card trick. I'm just learning about the pendulum. Let's see what happens. All right, I've got 5 cards here. I'm going to pick number 2. I'm going to shuffle them as much as I can. Is this card number 2? Is this card number 2? And I got a number 2. I don't even know what to say about this. I just think it's incredible. I'm like, oh my God. That's 2 for 2, guys. What you believe to be true will actually manifest into your reality. You cannot have a behavior, a thought, or an emotion without first having a belief that something is true. I once heard somebody say that your beliefs are actually the blueprint that help you build the house of your physical reality. So if you feel like you don't have enough money, or maybe your relationships suck, then what the heck are we believing? What are we believing that we don't even realize it that is making this manifest in our life? Is it as simple as the fact that we don't believe we deserve it? Is it because I believe I'm not enough and I'm not worthy of it? Our beliefs are stored in our subconscious mind, so we're not even aware of what most of these beliefs are. And a lot of times they're just like luggage and baggage we've picked up from other people. It's other people's beliefs that we're carrying around. I'm Sarah Stone Love, and my channel is all about the science and psychology of manifesting. And I am super excited today to share with you a tool that is going to totally help you discover and pinpoint your limiting beliefs that are hiding in your subconscious real, so we can bring them into our conscious awareness and get rid of them. I just started doing something called dowsing using a pendulum. I find this so fascinating, so exciting, because not only do you tap into your subconscious mind, but you're also tapping into a universal energy, and you're able to get guidance from your higher self. It is absolutely incredible. This is going to be yes. So I'm allowing my subconscious to know that. This is going to be no. Okay, so that was me physically shaking it and telling it what was going to be what. Now I'm going to do my very best not to move it at all with these top 2 fingers and just barely hold on to it. And the first question is going to be really simple. My name is Sarah. 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 So sometimes I have to say it several times to get it going. My name is Sarah. Just be patient with yourself, especially when you're first getting started. Sometimes it takes even longer. Now I'm going to pick another name just to test to see if no's working. Something that I'm not associated with at all. My name is Frog. 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 And I get a no. So I'm not consciously moving my fingers at all to make it say yes or no, but if you research it, you will find that your subconscious is actually reacting to the questions and doing a very subtle movement in your hand that you're just not aware of. You're not consciously aware that you're doing. So now I want to try a little card trick. I want to see if I can get this to work. I have to be completely honest with you. It doesn't work every time for me because I'm new to dowsing and I'm just learning about the pendulum, and I really have to have a clear mind to make it work. But let me show you how we're going to do this. Let's see what happens. All right, I've got 5 cards here. As you can see, I can see what they are. I know those are my children's cards. They're not anything fancy. And I'm going to pick a number, and we're all going to pick it together. I'm going to pick number 2. Then I'm going to flip them over. I'm going to shuffle them as much as I can. So I have no idea where the 2 is. All right. Then we're going to go one at a time. See if I can clear my mind enough. When I clear my mind accurately, it always gets the right answer. But if I'm thinking of other things or I'm trying to control it and I can't let go of and release, then it doesn't work. This card is number 2. Is this card number 2? I got a no. I'm going to pull it to the side. This card is number 2. I got a no. I got a yes. I got another yes. That means that I'm controlling it. I'm not releasing my mind. Let me take another deep breath. I got a no. Let's see if we're even in the game. All right, so I just checked. These were my no's so far, and none of them are a 2. So far, so good. Let's see what happens. All right, I had to really clear my mind to make this work. I gotta know. Is this card number 2? Is this card number 2? And I got a number 2. I guess. so excited when this happens. I'm like, oh my God. I'll have my editor not make any edits or cuts in that so that you can see, and we'll just speed it up because I want you to know that I am not cheating this. I'm just super excited about this, especially that it works. I don't know, do you want me to do it one more time? Okay, I want to do it one more time. How about we go with the green 8? All right, the green 8. The green 8. This will be the last time we do this, higher self. I think my higher self is going, stop playing card tricks, Sarah. Use this for something serious. All right. Mixing them all up. We're gonna be looking, my eyes are closed while I'm doing this even. We're gonna look for the green 8. I'm so excited about this. So fun. All right. Breathe. Release all control. Higher self, is this the green 8? I got a yes right away. But let's see if that's the only yes. I got a no. I got a no. The green 8, higher self. So once again, I got 2 yeses. We'll have to go back over those. I got a no. I got a yes. Let's make sure this one isn't also saying yes. I got a no. Moment of truth, y'all. Ah, it's the purple 8. And look, that was the green 8. And at first it gave me a yes on it. So I still think that's pretty amazing, okay? Like I said, I'm new with this, but look, I picked the 2 8s and it gave me a yes the first time on the green 8 and the second time a no. So that just means that my own wishes and my own thoughts got in the way. That's 2 for 2, guys. I don't even know what to say about this. I just think it's incredible. If you're getting a lot of crazy sporadic answers, then you might have some interference, and there's different protocols you can do for actually unclearing and unblocking, but I'm not gonna get into that right now, just out of curiosity. I'm gonna test a couple of my limiting beliefs right now. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I get a yes. I love myself unconditionally. I love myself unconditionally. I quickly get a no. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. That's awesome because I've been working on that one a lot. It used to be no. I deserve my dreams. I deserve my dreams. I deserve my dreams. That's awesome. I'm getting a yes. I easily manifest all of my dreams. I easily manifest all of my dreams. I'm getting a no, so I gotta work on that one. I also wanna be completely honest with you, and I want you to know that it doesn't always work for me. It's working about 80% of the time, but I'm new to this. I've only been doing this for a few weeks, guys. So of course it's not always gonna work 100% of the time because I'm still struggling to clear my mind and really release and let go of control. Because I can easily say, oh, that's a yes, 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 and it'll change directions just based on what I'm telling it. So it's a pretty amazing tool. It's pretty fascinating. It is literally the easiest way I'm finding to discover what are my limiting beliefs. Because guys, if we don't know what they are, then we can't change them. And if we can't change them and get rid of them, then we're gonna keep manifesting the same reality over and over. So I think this is a really simple, easy tool to use. All of this kind of sounds out there to me as well. Maybe it does for some of you, maybe it doesn't, but it's all kind of new to me. I'm super excited about it, but I'm also kind of like, this is crazy. What is going on right now? I'm tapping into the universe's power and my higher self, and it's working, so it's amazing. I also want to just say it's not something that I would ever use to try to win cards or win money, or I think you always have to do this with the intention of the highest good of all and to serve others. And if you do it for other intentions, it just won't work. I'm Sarah Stone Love. I am super excited about this video and what just happened. I cannot wait to share more of this and keep learning this and doing this with you guys, because we're learning this together. I mean, this is all new and fresh to me too, and we are on this journey together, and we are going to find the answers. We're not gonna just say, hey, think about happy thoughts, think happy things and attract it. No, we're gonna find the actual ways to do it, the logistical ways, the science behind it, and the psychology to make your dreams come true.